gorgeous people, it's Amber here. Welcome back to my channel. So we're here with another surprise Sunday. And in today's video, since it's a mystery box from Etsy, I thought I would go ahead and do it on a surprise Sunday. Why not? Because whatever's in here is really, truly going to be a surprise. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so that I didn't mess any of this up, I did make myself a little cheat sheet to tell me what the company was and all this stuff. So anyways, this company was on Etsy. I was just surfing through Etsy looking at random things and I thought, you know what kind of mystery boxes do they have on Etsy? So I stumbled upon this company and they're called ezstock, and they had several different sizes, but they only had two sizes available that were affordable. They had another size that was like $500+ that I wasn't even trying to get. I'm just saying, I'm not that adventurous. Let's just put it out there. If I ever hit 5,000 subscribers, which guys, I gotta say, with the rate of my channel, the way it's going, that's probably not gonna happen. But nonetheless, if I ever hit 5,000 subscribers, I will buy a $500 mystery box of goodies and see what's inside. We'll see. Nonetheless, they had a small size and a medium size. So the small size was $3 and the medium size was $15. Now, this is what they're calling a surprise mystery box, okay? So they're saying that you'll get value and fun in your box. All right, that's what they're saying. And it says 1 out of 7 boxes get a rare gold box. Well, that's exciting. Doesn't look like I got the rare gold box. I'm just throwing that out there. Nonetheless, there are no Dollar Tree items, no used items, and no trash. They are guaranteeing me value for what I spent. Let's see what these things have in them. Okay, so I have two different sizes here. So here's the smaller package and here's the bigger package. This one I paid $3 for. This one I paid $15 for. I don't see any gold on here. Well, there's gold on the box. Does it mean I got the gold box? I don't know. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and pop it open here and see what they consider to be valuable. All right, guys. Hang on a second here. We're going to slice this open. Always slice away, kids. Woo. Okay. I feel like I have that $10 subscription that I have, that I get every month that I make funny faces at. Yeah, I feel like that's what's happening here. Okay, so what is this? Please support Haley's YouTube channel. Oh, so Haley has a YouTube channel, and it's fun and games. Totally this and that. Well, that's kind of cutesy. But what does that have to do with what's inside? Okay, I'm sorry. Here's what I'm seeing, guys. Just saying. Like, I'm reading this thing that says to support Haley's YouTube channel, which is really cute and nice. But what did they send to me amidst all of that? No junk, guys. No junk. Total valuable products. Now, this was only $3. Let's keep that in mind, please. It's only $3. I don't know if these are erasers. No. I think they're just little pieces of fruit. I mean, honestly, it's kind of cool. I could probably think of something to do with these. You know, I really probably could in my crafts. So I have a cherry and what is this? A lemon? I don't know. But that's what I have. That's part of this $3 one. Okay. So I also have, this looks to, oh, this is cute. It's a watermelon little purse thingamabobber. This is cute, guys. It's really soft. I think the kids will like this. This is cute. Look at that. All right, this is cute. I mean, it's not bad. It's called Minky Accessories. It's cute. I mean, whatever. Okay. Now we have a little, what is this? Hibiscus, I think it's called. It's a little clip. A little clippity-doo-dah. Somebody just kind of quickly made with a foam flower. So, cute, you know. All right, great. Let's see. We have, it lights up, guys. Look, it lights up. All right, let me see what's in here. All right. I don't know, guys. I think I wasted my money. All right, how does it light up? Ooh, you shake it or what? Oh, you just press it. It's a ring that lights up, guys. And I apparently am like really slow or whatever. So here we go. I'll put it over here because, you know, I'm never getting married in my lifetime. So let's put it over here as my pretend engagement ring that I'll never have. Great. Okay, let's continue. Awesome. All right, so we have this little, it looks like a giraffe, like keychain thing. I mean, this is clearly a kid's box. All right, this is cute though. That's cute. Little giraffe, like keychain thing. I mean, I can give this stuff to my nieces. So, because they're like 5 years old. It's cute. But, yeah. Again, this was only $3, so I can't expect the moon and the stars. This is cool. What is this? Oh, stop. That's cool as heck. Oh, look at that, guys. It's a wallet. So it's a $50 bill. I don't know what you would put here. That's kind of cool. But it's a wallet. I'm pretty sure that's what's with. That is cool. That's actually really cool, guys. I mean, I like this idea. So they just kind of stitched together some fabric to make a $50 bill wallet. That's kind of cool. I like that. All right. So let's see. Hip hop earrings. Do you guys see them? Okay, and then they want you to support Haley's channel. I will check out Haley's channel. Haley must be a younger girl or something because this is a lot of younger girl kind of stuff. It's cute, but yeah, so these look to be magnetic earrings. I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to see them. I mean, I'll try to zoom in on them for you guys, but yeah, that's what they look like. And they're calling them hip-hop earrings. I don't know what's so hip-hop about it, but yeah, I mean, my nieces might like these, but yeah, if they don't lose them anyway. And then the last thing in here is a fashion mask. So I'm going to take it out of the package because it looks like it's black, so I will wear this for sure. You know, we all have to wear a mask right now, so yeah. I mean, it's pretty cool. And I'm going to put it on because I can tell you right now it's going to be covered in lipstick. Well, all my masks are covered in lipstick. Yes, guys, when I go out, I put a full face of makeup on. I don't just do from here up. I do the whole face. Because, like, as soon as I get out of the store, I rip that mask off. My hair. I rip that mask off so fast. And, like, I want to look, you know, I don't know, decent. So, there you go. All right. So, that was the $3 box. All right. Okay, so let me just go ahead and pause. I'm going to clean all this up, and then we're going to jump into the $15 box. Okay, guys, so here's what the $15 box looked like. You know, it had just a couple of Christmas boxes. I've already split it open because I was trying to expedite things. Ooh, something fell out. Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's Hello Kitty. So it's a Hello Kitty pencil or a pen. It might be a pen. This is cute. This is really cute. I'll give this one to one of my nieces or nephews, but it's really super cute, guys. Yeah, it's an ink pen. That is cute. Look at that. I like it. That is really cute. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This was $15 box again. I don't know if I stressed that. Okay, so here we go. Real gold. What? Guys, come on. All right, this is what it says. And it says real gold. And it's got like a piece of paper in here. I'm not saying. All right. What is happening here? Oh, it's gold leaf. Okay. So it's just gold leaf, guys. That's what that is. I'll use it in some type of project, but it's hard to use, gold leaf, but that's really kind of cool. Yeah. All right, that's cool. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Oh, this is cute. All right, I like this. This is so cute. I love the money kind of stuff because, you know, I don't have any. Look at that. Ah, money change purse. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. This is really super cute. Look at that, guys. All right, this is pretty cool. I mean, this is far cooler than the one that I get, like I pay my monthly subscription for. This is pretty cool. All right, so there's that. All right. It's a squeezy ball, like a stress ball. Looks like it's a tomato. And then you just, you know, squeeze it. This one's sticky, though. I wonder if my son will like this. I'll give it to him. He can play with it. So there's that. What's this? I don't have any directions, guys. What is it? Hey, I don't know. What is it? What are you supposed to do with this? lights up and stuff. What is it though? It doesn't say what it is. It just says to support her channel on this one. Thoughts, guys? I mean, what is this? It lights up, but I don't know what it is or what you do with it. There you go. All right, I don't know what that is, so we're just going to move on because, like, I'm totally lost for what that is.
Okay, guys, after further investigation, I did figure out what these were for. So you turn the little lights on, right? And it lights up. Well, what I found out when you turn the lights out is they have pictures. So the one on the left here is a picture of some birds. And the other one, I don't know, I think it's, what is it? Like a gecko or some kind of reptile or something. So, I mean, it's cool. Kids will like this kind of thing. I'll definitely give it to one of my nieces or nephews. Let's move on.
Okay. It'd be nice to kind of tell you what stuff is. Okay, so this looks to be, it's like a yo-yo charger. That's kind of cool. Okay, so here's the picture on the thing, and it's like a yo-yo, which is fine, but it's got like these charging things back here for your phone and stuff. So, oh, woo, that's pretty cool. Okay, so it's got different ones for, you know, different devices. And then it has a USB port right here. How do you pull the USB port out? Is that for the... Aha! So this goes to the USB port. Just like that. Alright, that's cool. Is this like a portable charging thing? Like, is there batteries and stuff that you put in this thing? I have no idea. Like, it's not just going to charge your thing, right? I mean, this is cool to keep in your purse and stuff if it charges stuff, which I'm assuming is exactly what it does. So... I have to figure it out, but this is actually pretty cool. I mean, that's a cool thing if that's what this does. I will figure it out off camera. Might have to look it up. All right, I got a couple more things in here. Oh, so we have another hair clip that it's Meeks accessories. So it's another hibiscus one, only it's one of those claw clips. So I mean, it's cute, but I don't know. Okay, it's cute though. Okay, so we have like a little bling bracelet here. Kind of cute. Put my ice on. It's cute. So, yeah. I mean, that's cute. I would actually probably wear that for sure. The only thing with these kinds of bracelets is this. They tend to get caught on your shirts and stuff like that. So, I don't know. And then the last thing in here. $15, guys. The last thing in here is this donut keychain, which is actually quite cute. Ooh, it's like a smushy one. That is really cute. Okay, let me quit smushing it and show it to you guys. All right, so yeah, that wraps up this one. The best thing in this one was, of course, the little change purse, and I think this is pretty awesome, this charging yo-yo thingamabobber. I just figured it out. But $15 worth, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I mean, it was fun. It's cute, but I definitely would never get from this company again. I mean, this stuff is definitely, you get more than the value of the box. It's just that it's geared more towards kids, and not only geared more towards kids, it's geared more towards girls, at least the two boxes that I got, and I have a boy, so it would be different if I got more things that my son could use, but I mean, I'm going to give it to my nieces, which is totally fine, so the stuff will get use out of it, but I just wish that they would have included maybe some more of a variety as far as the toys go, like maybe some boys and some girls, because you just don't know what people are going to have, so it would be nice if they would include a little bit more of a variety in these things, and they have a couple of adult things in there, but not really. So they kind of should advertise this as geared towards kids, not adults. That's just my opinion. But otherwise, I mean, it was fun. How much money did I waste this time? $18. So $18 down the drain. Whatever. It is what it is. But it was fun. So I just love these mystery boxes. All right, guys. That's all that I got for you today. Again, if you guys are interested in a mystery box like these two that I just got, I got it from ezstock on Etsy. I will link everything in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay, guys, so that I wouldn't mess anything up, I did make myself a sheeta. That didn't work. Try it again.